Hello my flourishing friends, another video. I hope y'all are doing fine and enjoy your summer so far. Yeah, in today's video I like to do a little kit I bought, and it's a special kit because it's to make your very own memory book. Yeah, I bought this actually secondhand. That was so funny. I found it at a here in Holland we have this online shop where you can sell your items you don't need anymore, and I always like secondhand, so yeah, I thought I'd give this a try. A nice person sold it to me and actually quit crafting, which is really sad. Now I take care of the things and craft them like they're supposed to be. Is that even a sentence? I don't know. But yeah, so that's what we are gonna do today, and I think it looks so cool, and I like memory books really much. I like to craft them like when I spend a nice weekend with my friends and just put some nice pictures or like entrance tickets of the movies or whatever in there. So yeah, for the little keepsake. But before we're gonna do this, I have to show you something, because 2 weeks ago I actually received this from one of my pen pals, and I had to show it to you because I think it's super cute. She wrapped it really good. Yeah, my friend made this for me, and I think she's so talented and it looks so nice. What it actually is, when you flip it open, it's a recipe book. And she knows me really well because I like vintage stuff really much. So yeah, that's what it is. It's a little recipe book. And when you flip through it, you have different recipe cards in the back, and also in the front you have those little slip-in pockets where she put some tags for me to use. And I just think it is super adorable. Yeah, I just wanted to show this to you really quick because I really cherish this one, and yeah, just wanted to share. Okay, let's dive into the video. Don't know what to expect from this kit. Ooh, it smells like paper. Am I the only one liking the smell of paper stuff? Okay, so we got stickers and some more stickers, and then we've got some, oh yeah, those are cardboard letters, stickers. Are those stickers? I think we have to glue them on ourselves. And then there's different colored paper for the different pages, I guess. And the book itself, which already has pages in them, so you can either go ahead and straight away decorate them or glue something on them. Oh, this is really cute. Looks so nice and is really bendable. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I decided I want to do the front first, which is this side, and that I would like to go with the birds. So what I'm gonna do now, yeah, I'm just gonna play a bit with it. I'm really not prepared for this, but yeah, let's just have some fun. I also have here my 3D foam pads to play a bit around, so I think I'm gonna start with that actually. Okay, I just popped four blocks right here. I'm gonna go with the flower first, and then with a little bird on top. There we go. And I'm gonna take this bird and pop it on top of it, so it looks a bit like what I hope. The bird is sitting on the flower. And when I flip it a bit, you can already see it has a bit of dimension because of the stickers. That's always good. That's what we're looking for. Maybe let's go with the fun written thing. Put a little sticker here. And I'm gonna pop 4 letters here, L-O-V-E. And also gonna put some of the foam pads underneath it to let it pop out more. I really felt like it was about time to do a crafting again. I didn't do craftings in quite some time, so I really missed it. I really like it so far. This is gonna be a fairly fast crafting since it's a kit, and we can just take the items that came with it and decorate with them and play a bit. Oh, I just saw those are corners. Let's pop some corners on there. Okay, you cannot do too much, can you? Okay, I think we're gonna pop a little flower here as well that maybe overlaps this frame a bit. I like this one. Let's go with that one. Also gonna use my foam pads. That came not with the kit, just if I didn't say it before. Could put a little flower there as well. What else do we have? Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this item. Little arrow. Ooh, because it says go everywhere. So I wanted to point somewhere. I'm not sure where yet. Yeah, I think this direction. What I love with those mini books and mini scrapbooks, mini photo albums, with decorating, you can really go over the top. There we go. Now I'm gonna flip it open. This is where usually you could put a picture in it, and then it would be right behind the front page. Don't know if you can see it on the picture here. Yeah, I don't have pictures by hand right now, because this is gonna be a present for a pen pal of mine, and I want her to put pictures in herself. It's actually for the girl that sent me the nice book, so I wanted to give something back. So what I'm further gonna do is just decorate the middle page because it's so nice and wide. I'm gonna leave the other ones actually like they are. Okay, let's go wild. Let's put that little arrow here. I'm actually also gonna use my foam pads. I hope the album can take it. There we go. So she could take a picture here. What I'm gonna do, she can take a picture. She can put a picture here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a piece of this nice paper that came with it. I'm gonna go with this one. Do I? This one is also pretty. Hard decisions. Oh, this one it is. Yeah. I'm gonna cut a little rectangle and glue it here. Like that. Ta-da! Gonna pop a little flower here. And maybe one of those stickers. I like them, they're really see-through. I like the little butterfly. Now we do this side. Yeah, so I cut a second piece of this paper and I'm gonna glue it right here. Like so. Yeah, today's video of course is not that creative from my side. It's just a little hangout with me. Yeah, just how I tackle those kits, because sometimes even I don't buy them because I feel like, oh my gosh, I don't know where to start and there are so many items and I have so many ideas. But when you just go with it and craft along, it's pretty easy and there are no mistakes to make, so that's good. Yeah, just have fun with it. Let's take a birdie. This one or this one? I think I go with this one. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how I take kits and craft something with them. Oh cute, now he's sitting there. And when you know me, you know that I need something here because I like to keep things balanced. So let's go for this sticker kit again. Let's put a crown, why not? There we go. And then I wanted to put one of those. Let's see what fit. Cute. Maybe one more here or maybe here. Yeah, here I think is cool. There we go. So this is how I would design my pages and then cut out pictures or little parts of pictures like the head of a person or whatever you like. So then I would glue them here. Yeah, this is how I would do it. Already pretty thick. I want to do the last page as well. Yeah, I just want to color up a bit this cardboard here. I'm actually going to use a piece of the packaging. Just going to cut it out. There we go. And then I'm going to cut little triangles in the end. If you follow me for a bit, that's my thing. See, now out of a piece of the packaging you made a nice embellishment. What I'm going to do with it now is I'm going to take orange fine liner, also do my thing with it and make it look like it's actually sewed on. You cannot really see it good, only here and there it bleeds through a bit, but that's okay. The effect is still there. And I'm going to use 3D pads. There we go. And I'm going to use the last birdie. I hope it fits down here. And then I'm going to pop a few of those little flowers here. And with using one of those 3D pads, I'm going to attach the little butterfly to the flower. So I'm just gonna pop one of the pads here and put the butterfly on. There we are. Now it looks like it's just flying away. I think what I'm gonna do here is take my fine liners and do some dots in different colors, just to mix it up a bit. That's always a good trick if you have some room where you don't want to overdo it with stickers or embellishments. There we go. I really like this. Now I just decided real quick, we're gonna do the inside of the front page as well, so we have it all tied together. Like you already know, I really love to tie things up. Okay, and for this page, I'm gonna use some of those arrows. I'm gonna use on all of them my 3D pads. Really, those pads don't cost anything and they give such a good effect. Back in the days, I was not a big fan of them, but now I really am. And I don't think it's gonna change ever. Okay, and let's put some, yeah, maybe we use up the flowers and the butterfly. I think that's gonna be cute. You have to see, not all of those flowers you can take off the sticker sheet, which I think is a bit sad. Thank God we have some more flowers here. Okay, and I'm gonna do the colored dots as well, because I think that's gonna look fun. Okay, there we have that. Let me just real quick show you what we've got. So this is our front page, all 3D'd up. Then you open it, then you have this nice page. Then I left all of those nice pages. By the way, I also like those transparent foils. Let me show you. They hold everything in place. They're so cute. I'm gonna leave those to my friend to craft. Then I did the middle one. Then she has again a few pages to craft herself. And I did the back. And yeah, the actual back side of this I'm gonna leave like it is, because I think this pattern is already so pretty, and yeah, it's the back side. So if she wants to pop something on, that's on her, but I'm gonna leave it like it is. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and get some inspiration on how to tackle little kits you can buy. I enjoy crafting kits really much. You always have a ton of supplies left, which I can use for different other projects, and it's so much fun and easy and really fast as well. And like I said, I bought this one secondhand and I'm really happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please hit the like button. I would deeply appreciate it. It was a big blast to craft with you today. Finally a crafting video, I know. Yeah, if you didn't do already and want to see more crazy videos, please hit subscribe so you can join the Flourishing family. I love to see us grow and grow more, because actually I'm just in front of my channelversary. In August, Flourishing Lisa exists 1 year, and I'm thinking about a nice thing to do for you guys. Maybe a giveaway or something. So, yeah, I look forward to the next video, and I wish you a nice day. Bye!